crisis. Your country is in crisis because of your own doing and that of the migrant workers. Migrant workers came to your country because you need them as well. And now you're in crisis, you will put them in jail. Is this right? This is inhumane. And this is not fair. Migrant International strongly condemn the most mayorial system of the European Union. The last thing you can do is to make them documented, to make them legal. It is your system who made them illegal. It is your system who made them undocumented. So it should be your responsibility to make them documented, to let them stay in your country. It's very well known in the whole wide world that migrant workers are cheap labor. And the European Union has a lot to be thanked to these undocumented migrants because these are cheap labor. But they should be treated like human beings. And they should not be treated like animals or like criminals. We would like to read the statement of the International League of People's Struggle.
We condemn European Union's anti-migrant Mos Maiorum. The ILPS Philippines joins migrant Filipinos in condemning before the European Union office in the Philippines the ongoing police operations launched by 26 European countries to detain and deport what they brand as irregular migrants. This verdict back by the whip of the incumbent Italian presidency of the Council of the EU is particularly vile. Coined the operations as Mos Maiorum, ancestral custom, way of the elders, or social wars of ancient Rome. It harks back to imperial Rome, whose legal citizens are only those ruling inside the city walls and living by the sweat of slaves. All others are barbarians and deserves to be expelled or conquered by the sword. This time, by Carabinieri and 20,000 troops. The current immigration problem in Europe comes not from discrimination alone, but from the crisis itself of modern imperialism. The most recent influx of European immigrants came from the implosion of the Soviet Union and the balkanization of Eastern Europe. The current surge of immigrants into Europe, and more particularly Italy, comes mainly from the conflict areas such as Syria and Eritrea. Countries are not questions of security and criminality. They are a consequence of wars and conflicts, especially in the Middle East and Africa. According to the UN, there are 51 million refugees. In 2013 alone, there were 17 million people fleeing. About 2 billion euro were invested in the buffer zone around the EU. Frontex received in 2013 as much as 85 million euro. According to research, the amount of cameras and kilometers of fences on the European borders are an overkill. Refugees are locked up in jails. In Greece, Malta, Poland, and Bulgaria, even non-accompanied minor asylum seekers are locked up. One, the backing of the European Parliament to become the new head of the EU Commission, he promised a complete restructuring of the financial supervision by the Troika, the EU, the European Union, the IMF, and the European Central Bank. This is a step in the right direction. However, this should not be for their own democracy, but for more democracy by the direct actions of immigrants and peoples of those nations in Europe.